Good afternoon, 12:37 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Going into the closing bell, it's a Easter weekend and Good Friday coming up, so markets are going to be closed tomorrow. But one of the things that I would like to point out is that Apple, when we hit $469, we knew that we were going to have a reversal. But that was a couple of days ago when we updated the trades for the put side. The 470 put that expires tomorrow is up to $18.60. They had closed at $9.45. When we bought the option, the market maker gave the alert. There was a great move on the put side of the market. There were various other opportunities shorting the shares outright. When we went down each of these lines in Apple, a teeny is only 33 cents. It's a very narrow range per 16th in our platform. Having said that, the short side of the name is the one that's been paying here. We put in bottoms and it was time to be long here to the top in price volatility, with the reversals in play to the support line right here where the last breakout. So mathematically, directional price down, directional price up, and failure in price. That's all on the intraday level. On a 60-minute level, I will be happy to show when we had made the top in Apple a couple of days ago. One of the things that I want to make very clear with people watching or our current trader base is that you already know when we hit that 470 level up here, it was time to be short. So from 470 down here to 451, that's almost an $18 total reversal on this 60-minute chart in the MMT platform. Each one of these lines here are $1.33 per 60-minute bar. I will blow this up so that that top reversal with that gap, that was that wall of resistance. That date of that reversal that we called now for, my friends, was on this calendar date right here. It was 325. Today is 327. And from that high of 469.95, we said 470 was within a nickel of 470. We've come down. These are 60-minute bars. Let's go ahead and blow this part up right here so that you can see where the 60-minute, where the sell gap was, and identifying the sell gap using the put options at that strike price was the way to go on the 470 puts that are 1885, and Apple's made 271 lows. So trading that 470 put 2 days ago and holding this one overnight has given a monster gain again, based on Apple having to pull back almost $20 off of the high from 2 days ago, which is right here on the 60-minute chart. This is it. And when we hit the highs, it was time to buy the puts. They've gone up more than 100% gain. Identifying the reversal, knowing how to make the transaction, you don't have to worry about that. The market makers will take care of this. They will give you the limit order, you'll place it, and you'll make your money. It's going to be that simple. So as we sell in the last 20 minutes of the market, we can see we're down. The total range was 461. That was the close. They gapped it down to 456 and then put in a $6.07 intraday range. So when identifying when stocks hit a major catalyst of price resistance and they have to reverse, and using our platform, meaning that the market makers, they know what they're doing. You'll get that entry and you're going to get those profits. The next thing that I would like to highlight, that at stockmarketfunding.com, if you simply go to open an account here, please click here to get started with your free 5-day trial. Watch the video, direct access trading. Most important thing is $2,500 times 6 equals 15,000 intraday for small accounts. $5,000 market maker trading accounts, $5,000 we give you 50. $10,000 market maker account minimum, you get 150,000 intraday. Watch the pattern day trading rule. We all know that That is a handicap for people that understand the pattern day trading rule. If you do 3 buy and sells intraday in a 5 day period, well, unfortunately, they will make you go to cash and you won't have to be able to do that many trades. So, we have a much better system. Do not worry about what your capabilities are in markets. You'll let us decide where the prices are. We have the results. So get started. Get in the free 5 day trial. Let us walk you through them individually. And once again, identifying that short gap, mathematically, the 60-minute diamonds are closing at their lows, and then you pop up. But then you roll over and then you gap down and you're right back down here in the base on the 60-minute chart where Apple had created a consolidation base before making that last final high. Every time that Apple will be pulling back in certain levels in the price channel areas, they'll be buyable on the dips, both sides of the market, one buying calls at times and buying puts at times, and you'll let us decide. The market makers will decide. They have 30 years of experience. So you get capital to trade with, then you get the market maker entry and exit and the stop market, and that management behind you will keep you profitable. Whatever you've done before in the marketplace is irrelevant to us. Okay? It's time for you to come back, get the right management, get the capital, we'll provide it, and you get the trades. You let the market makers do the work for you. Apple Computer Short up here at 470 with a $20 pullback. So when Apple's pulling back $20 off of that high, we're making that $20 reversal going that way. When Apple made a $20 move up going long, we make $20 going up that way. That equals $40 in stock price movement, both the long side and the short side, both the call side at one time and both the put side at one time. Once again, we encourage you to let you get involved with our 5 day trial. Don't worry about your competence levels and what you can do. We are quite capable of making lots of money here, and you are quite capable of submitting the orders and taking the profits when we tell you and putting the stop markets there and getting the capital to trade with. It's time that you get what is rightfully yours.